Did you know LG TV's AI algorithm heightens picture quality by scene? Let's learn how to set it up. Find the Settings button on your remote and press it. When you see the menu list on the left, find All Settings. Select General and find the AI Picture Service menu. Turn on AI Picture Pro, and it will analyze content with deep learning to bring you breathtaking image details.
I like this city so much, and there's a reason why they call it the Garden City. The city is grand and modern, but don't worry because anywhere you go, you'll be able to find wonderful.
If you also activate Auto Genre Selection, your TV will recognize content by genre and automatically adjust the picture. Let's see how it works. This is it. This is ThinQ AI, LG's intelligent assistant. All from your TV. All powered by your voice.